Hi, Rebecca. My name is Jonathan Sheets. I'm contacting you on behalf of Nathan Watson. He posted in a Facebook group about driving traffic to your website and tips and things of that sort that can help you out. I'd just like to say that we are a Dayton local business located on First Street, so it's always good to help out Dayton local, and we always enjoy doing that. So, if you'd like to give us some feedback at the end of this, I would really appreciate that. So if you could just keep that in mind, we'll get started here. When we look at your website, now it's an actual, it's not an actual full homegrown website. And what I mean by that is you built it through massagebook.com and put your information in there. And while that works, it doesn't work as well as a website for your actual business. And I'll show you what I mean by that here in just a minute. So when we type in the key phrase Dayton Massage, when we're looking for a business here on Google, you'll see here in the first 10 searches, or the first 10 search results, that we get a few things here. First is a bigger website here for Dayton Woodhouse Spas. And it goes directly to their massage therapy page. Now, they have other services that they offer, and that back page, it's not their home page, it's one of their service pages. So you can see services, massage therapy. That's the main page that's showing up. They're ranking that in the #1 spot. Now, if we go down here, we see Yelp and Elements, which, of course, is a chain, and Medical Massage Dayton. So when we look at a site like Medical Massage, we'll look at them. The first thing that we want to see is good content on the front page here. So it's not too bad, but it's not up to what Google looks at as a good standard. You want about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and those words, some of them need to be keywords, words like Dayton Massage or massage in Dayton, words of that sort that Google will see in there, and then apply ranking to them when it comes to your website. And we achieve that. We'll take a look here at their actual website here on our program. And we'll see they actually have 136 keywords that they're ranking for right here, and 20 backlinks. Now, we'll get into backlinks in a little bit, but organic traffic here, they're literally getting 226 people to click on their website a month from just what they have here in their keywords. So when we look at their keywords here, Massage Dayton, Ohio, Dayton Massage, we'll see here, we'll focus on Massage Dayton, Ohio right now. It has a volume of 450 people looking for that term. So 450 people search the term Massage Dayton, Ohio, and they are in the 4th position on Google for that term. So when I say ranking for a keyword term, that's what I'm talking about. And we can see here under traffic, they literally got 40 people clicking on their website from that alone. So a good rule of thumb of that is about 10% of that will be actual appointments booked. And as you go down the list here, you can see how much more they're adding because of just ranking for those keywords when people search for that term. So a lot of this shows buyer intent is what we call it. As we go down the line, they rank in different positions for these keywords, but they're usually in the top 10. See a few there that aren't, and as we go further down, we'll see that's more common. But we can see the kind of traffic that's able to be driven towards a website if you have it set up, and that's part of what we do. If you're interested in our services, or again, if you want to build your own and do it yourself, by all means. So going into the other aspect of this, backlinks, which we spoke earlier and is right here, we can see that they have 20 backlinks. Backlinks are what give your website power and the ability to show up on a ranking system. So it's a two-part thing. You got to have the keywords in there, like I said earlier, but backlinks are essentially you putting your website link on somebody else's that already has power. So if we were to put this link to, say, another business like Elements, we'd get credit probably for a lot of power, and it would translate back to your website and give you some some authority on the matter. The way Google's algorithm looks at it is it looks at it and says, okay, this is attached to another website that has authority on massage, so it gives you some of that power and increases your ranking on Google for those keywords. The more of those you have, the higher your ranking will go for those keywords, and the more traffic will be driven to your website as a result, because it's showing up in the top search results. The other aspect I want to mention here is when you search for something like Dayton Massage, you'll see that this map pack pops up. This is another relevant part of ranking your business up on Google. When we look at these map pack options, it usually grabs the eye, and a lot of people click on that first, especially on their phone. A lot of internet traffic is done on phones nowadays, not so much on computers as it used to be. So we'll click on the top option here, and interestingly enough, they show up with no reviews and not many pictures on here on their actual account. So if we go down to Wellness Studio, we'll see they actually have pictures of their business, which Google likes this kind of thing. They have 11 5-star reviews, which is even better. That also improves their ranking on here. But what the main thing is that you have your address, your hours, your phone, all that kind of information showing up on different websites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and other websites that can list you as a directory listing in there. So I hope that was helpful. I'm just going to throw our contact information out there, and then we'll get this thing done. You can reach us at 937-507-6596. Again, my name is Jonathan, or my business partner, Nathan. And you can reach us also at our email at sheetsdigital@gmail.com, or our website at sheetsdigitalmarketing.com as well. I want to thank you for your time, and I won't take any more of it. So have a wonderful day, and hopefully to hear from you later.